Meet one of the most famous residents here. The African bush elephant matches the mountain. These are the largest land animals in the world. The record for size is held by a big boy who weighed 24,000 pounds and was 13 feet tall at the shoulder. That's as heavy as a large school bus. They aren't all that big, but they are significantly larger than their Asian cousins. These herbivores eat around 350 pounds of vegetation per day. It would take 15 average cows to beat that amount. Look at them. They're spectacular trunks, each possessing nerves, connective tissue, fat, and 150,000 muscle fascicles in a very complicated arrangement surrounding the nasal passage, and all neatly wrapped in gray, wrinkly skin, giving this upper lip and nose combination truly phenomenal multitasking abilities, ranging from wet vac, shower nozzle, snorkel, trumpet, tree snapper, tourist tosser, affection giver, and all-purpose picker-upper with exceedingly fine motor skills and incredible lifting power.